community, the ones who actually stood the test of time and went beyond the call of duty. So what we're going to do is to take this segment forward. Once again, we will have Mr. Raghav Iyengar, the Chief Business Officer, Axis Mutual Fund, and he will also be joined by Dhruv Mehta, who's the President of the Federation of Independent Financial Advisors. Now, while both of them will be on board, we'll just have a quick AV, and then let's begin this particular segment.
Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to day two of this very, very beautiful and thought-provoking and emotional session. The round two of our responsible MFT awards. दो शब्द इस लास्ट 10 महीने में बहुत यूज हो गए. एक है पैंडेमिक और एक है अनप्रेसिडेंटेड. आप सब जानते हो, it has been a very, very different 10 months since the pandemic hit. Suddenly livelihoods were stopped. People literally came onto the road. Incomes were completely frozen, and many of us, in that sense, in our industry, has been very fortunate because we work on the basis of customer AUM, and as long as the money was there, and all of you have taken great effort in counseling and hand-holding the advisor, our income never stopped. But that was not the case for many, many parts of the society today. And there are many, many of our MFTs who actually went beyond the regular day-to-day work and went out and actually helped uh, the underprivileged, the needy, the destitute with all manners of items. I mean, some people provided medicines, many people provided food, some people provided blankets, some people provided doctor facilities, some people provided quarantine. All these people went over what I say the call of duty. हम लोग सब थोड़ा बहुत contribution किया है, like we and within Access we contributed a little bit in terms of monetary, but these are people who actually took a lot of their time, their effort, and actually made the lives of many of our society, underprivileged parts of the society, much, much, much better. Why did we do these awards? हम लोग normally award function कैसे होता है? People who do the maximum. Yeah, yeah, sorry. Yeah. So why did we do these awards? I mean, the awards were done largely because normally हम लोग awards किसके लिए करते हैं? Best SIP, highest business growth, maximum number of new clients. But this is something which we wanted to acknowledge and reward the valuable contribution of our MFT community to the larger community of India. This is a very, very proud moment for all of us in this environment, that our community members have actually helped their own members of the community, and more importantly, we have played a much, much bigger role in society. The Axis Mutual Fund, we always have been known as the responsible fund house. We always try to come out with the right products, the right communication at the right time. And our advisors, all 30,000 of them and growing, have also largely lived to the same way. This is another very, very important way of being a responsible advisor, of giving our own time and resources back to the community in which we serve. We are very clear, if we serve the society, our business will grow, and that is how I think with this business, this industry will grow from becoming a 30 lakh crore industry to maybe a 300 lakh crore industry very, very soon, hopefully in our lifetime. uh, how did we do this? ये process कैसे किया हम लोग? I think the whole thing we did. uh, Cafe Mutual and Access, we are very, very happy to work with Cafe Mutual because they have a fantastic connect with most of the IFA community. They sent out a lot of emailers to all our MFTs asking for their stories, if they of anybody who has been able to help. A very large social media campaign was conducted, and out of the we received all more than 30 entries for these awards. And in my mind, choosing these 8 heroes within that more 36 was actually the most difficult job of my life, actually, because all those 36 people, in my opinion, are heroes. But we had to give 4 awards yesterday and 4 today. There was a jury. Luckily, it was not a single thing. I mean, I had help from no less a person than Dhruv, our chairman of FIFA, and of course Prem, who knows all of you very, very well. And through that, we managed to select and vet about 8 people. So that was largely about the process. Now I'd like to actually just uh, announce the first winner. First winner is a very, very interesting person. His name called Ravi Kumar. He comes from the beautiful city of Jammu. What did Ravi do? Ravi actually helped migrants, and for us, I always used to think that migrants were more coming out of centers like Bombay, more out of centers like Delhi. But I was very, very surprised to know that there were a lot of migrants even in places like Jammu. And you know what happens to migrants? Most of these people are on a daily wage basis. जब लॉकडाउन हुआ तो उनका पूरा रोजगारी पूरा बंद हो गया. So what did Ravi do? Ravi had made arrangements to get ration for them. He managed to get them medicines wherever required. And then more importantly, he also helped more than 500 families get back to their villages from Jammu. We'd like to have a short AV on Ravi. AV, please. रवि जी, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. हमारा बहुत 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 धन्यवाद. आई थिंक आपका फोन थोड़ा, आपका वॉइस म्यूट पे है. रवि, आई थिंक योर वॉइस इज ऑन म्यूट.
सर थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू. आई थिंक ये आपने जो किया है इज फैंटास्टिक. हमें ऑलवेज लगता था रवि जी दैट ये माइग्रेंट सब खाली बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, बैंगलोर जैसे बड़े शहर में. ये मुझे पता ही नहीं था क्या ये जम्मू जैसे छोटे शहर में भी बहुत सारे माइग्रेंट होते हैं. आप कैसे इन लोग को, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड देम, और आपने कैसे तय किया कि आप कुछ डिफरेंस बना सकते हैं इन लोग के लिए?
एक्चुअली सर जम्मू जो है ना वो पूरे इंडिया से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. जम्मू में तो जम्मू में पंजाब के बॉर्डर पे रहता हूँ. जो कठुआ है तो पंजाब पे बॉर्डर पे है. एक्चुअली जैसे ही लॉकडाउन हुआ तो मेरे साथ मेरे काफी फ्रेंड है. उन्होंने सामने सर ने डिसाइड किया यार लॉकडाउन हो गया लेकिन काफी सारी जो लेबर क्लास है वो फंस गई है. वो लेबर क्लास डेली बेसिस के ऊपर कमाती है और डेली बेसिस पे खाती है. अब जब लॉकडाउन हो गया तो उनका वो डेली बेसिस पे कमाना सारा बंद हो गया. तो हमने सोचा कि मेरा क्या है कि मेरा जो मंथली जो एक्सपेंसेस है अपने जो पर्सनल वो 50,000 रुपया. मैंने सोचा कि एटलीस्ट ये 50,000 रुपया तो मैं जो सेव कर लिया घर पे बैठ के इसको तो मैं खर्च कर सकता हूँ. उसके अलावा जैसे मैं आगे बढ़ा तो मेरे साथ मेरे फ्रेंड ने भी सपोर्ट करना शुरू कर दिया. ये इतना बड़ा बन जाना था, ये जो मुहिम इतनी बड़ी बन जानी थी ये मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था. और जैसे जैसे फ्रेंड जुड़ते गए और मैं लोगों की मदद करता गया. इवन कि मेरी वाइफ ने घर में आके कहना है, वाइफ बोलती थी यार तुम तो चले जाते हो लोगों को सेवा करने, कभी तुम्हें कोरोना हो गया तो आप क्या करोगे?
हम क्या करें?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हम लोगों की मदद कर रहे हैं, ऊपर कोई देख रहा है ना वो हमारी मदद करेगा.
मदद करें. फैंटास्टिक. ये आप कैसे आप टाइम निकालते हैं ये सब चीज का, क्योंकि हम लोग इतने बिजी रहते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अपना काम पे. ये आपने कैसे कर दिया? ये मतलब आप इतने सारे सोशल कॉज पे आप इन्वॉल्व हो, आपने कैसे टाइम निकाला ये सब चीज?
सर मेरी मोटिवेशन मेरी मम्मा है, मेरी मदर एंड फादर. मदर मेरे यहाँ से 15 साल पहले एक रोड एक्सीडेंट में मारे गए थे, फादर 4 साल पहले पूरे। तो मेरे गांव में, मेरे एरिया में आज भी मेरे को उस फैमिली से जाना जाता है जो लोगों की बड़ी ज्यादा करता है। अभी आपने रिसेंटली आपके कैफे म्यूचुअल फंड में एक आर्टिकल आया था कि MFD एक सरपंच बन गया, तो मैं अपने एरिया का सरपंच भी हूँ। तो वो सरपंच बनने के लिए मेरे को मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी। एक तो हम म्यूचुअल फंड बेचते हैं अच्छे काज के लिए, लोगों को बताते हैं, गाइड करते हैं और लोगों की भलाई का काम करते हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जब बंदा ठान लेता है ना तो कुछ करना है, फिर उसके लिए टाइम बंदा निकाल ही लेता है।
निकाल ही दे। परफेक्ट। आपका कुछ लास्ट सलाह हमारे सब भाई बहन को लेके जो सुन रहे हैं आपके बात, अभी आपका कुछ एडवाइस? मैं
सारों को बोलना चाहता हूँ कि म्यूचुअल फंड एक बड़ी अच्छी इंडस्ट्री है, ठीक है, हम लोगों की काज करते हैं। इसके अलावा हमें अपने पर्सनल समय में से कुछ समय जो है वो सोसाइटी के लिए जरूर निकालना चाहिए, सोसाइटी के लिए जरूर निकालना चाहिए कुछ टाइम।
फैंटास्टिक, थैंक यू रवि जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक
बहुत
यू,
बहुत धन्यवाद, और ये अच्छे काम करते जाइए। हाँ, और मिलते हैं जब भी। थैंक यू।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। Our next winner is another very interesting person from very small town called Junagadh. But this is very interesting. Now, this is the beauty of the entire digital and social revolution. Correct? Amit Chandra from Junagadh. What did Amit do? Amit did some very interesting things. I mean, he has conducted Facebook live sessions by inviting doctors. आपको जानते होंगे उस टाइम पे when the corona epidemic happened, many of us were unable to understand इसका वजह क्या है, ये बढ़ता कैसे है, इसका क्या precautions लेना चाहिए, and I think the best person to talk about that was a doctor, and Amit has been able to get doctors to come in and talk to his clients through Facebook Live. His live sessions have received more than 14,000 views. It's fantastic. He also did something very interesting. He also helped people with food packets and medicines. He also, उस टाइम पे आपको जानना था that if you had COVID, you had to go to a quarantine center, and quarantine centers would be very expensive. He made quarantine shelters for people and charged them a flat only 1,000 rupees per day for everything inclusive, medicines, doctors, food, treatment, everything. And in that thing he managed to treat more than 145 people in those quarantine centers. So our next winner, can we play our AV for Amit, please? Amit ji, congratulations. Thank
you sir, thank you very much.
Well done, very well done. And आपने इस एंटायर क्वारंटाइन में अपना बिजनेस के अलावा आपने बहुत बढ़िया आइडिया निकाला है. One, I have never heard of this Facebook live sessions. हम लोग करते थे, but I never knew that you could get 14,000 views. And the second thing, of course, sir, is that ये आपने ये fantastic idea निकाला है on quarantine centers. ये आप दोनों के ऊपर कैन यू टेल अस, ये दोनों आइडिया आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया, कैसे आपने एग्जीक्यूट किया?
जी सर, एक्चुअली मैं न्यूज़ चैनल चलाता हूँ सर, लोकल न्यूज़ चैनल है मेरी खुद की। तो हमको एक पासेस मिले थे एज ए सोशल सर्विसेज के लिए। तो पहले दिन, लॉकडाउन के पहले दिन हमने लाइव किया ऐसे ही मजाक में। तो उस दिन व्यूज बहुत आ गए, तो लिखने लगे कि भाई हमारी शॉप देखनी है, हमको ये मंदिर देखना है, क्योंकि जूनागढ़ बहुत बड़ा होली सिटी है, यहाँ बहुत बड़ा मंदिर है, गिरनार माउंटेन है जो हिमालय का दादा कहते हैं। तो हर रविवार को लोग वहां जाते हैं। तो लोग बोलते थे कि भाई हमको हनुमान जी के दर्शन करने, तो वहां जाके मैं फेसबुक लाइव करता था। तो बाद में मुझे फिगर्स मिलने लगे कि कितने केसेस जूनागढ़ में आ रहे हैं, कितने जूनागढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है। तो उसकी सबकी डिटेल देने लगा। एक टाइम फिक्स कर दिया कि 7 बजे मुझे लाइव होना ही है। तो 7 बजे में सब फिगर्स देते थे कि भाई इतने केसेस है, ये केसेस की डिटेल है कि कहाँ से वो आया था, कैसे उनको कोरोना का आ गया है, सब कुछ। तो वो डिटेल देने लगा। तो बाद में मुझे लगा एक आध डॉक्टर को भी इसमें ऐड करते हैं। तो ऐसे ऐसे करते करते लोगों का फोन आने लगा कि जो लोग रवि जी के तरफ से, हम लोग जम्मू से जूनागढ़ आते थे माइग्रेंट लोग, तो उनके साथ झगड़ा करते थे कि भाई हमारे अपार्टमेंट में आप आ गए हो तो आप कोरोना वाले हो। तो मैंने सोचा कि भाई ये झगड़ा क्यों हो रहा है, तो उनके लिए पहले मैंने क्वारंटाइन सेंटर शुरू कर दिया कि भाई जो लोग बाहर से आते हैं उनको 14 दिन के लिए क्वारंटाइन करना है। तो पहले क्वारंटाइन सेंटर से शुरू किया, बाद में कोरोना के केसेस बढ़ गए थे जूनागढ़ में, तो ये क्वारंटाइन सेंटर बंद करके आइसोलेशन सेंटर शुरू कर दिया। और कॉस्ट इसलिए 1,000 रुपये रखा क्योंकि जूनागढ़ में जो गवर्नमेंट के क्वारंटाइन सेंटर थे सर, उसमें 2 दिन ही रखते थे फ्री ऑफ चार्ज। बाकी के दिन के लिए उनको राजकोट की जो यहाँ से 100 किलोमीटर है वहां जाना पड़ता था, तो वहां होता था 6,000 रुपीज पर डे। तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम एक हॉस्टल रख ले, गर्ल्स हॉस्टल थी वो रख ले क्योंकि वो तो बंद थी। तो हमने वहाँ 27 रूम रखे, स्पेशल रूम, और वहां शुरू कर दिया सर ये क्वारंटाइन सेंटर और आइसोलेशन सेंटर बाद में शुरू कर दिया। और मुझे खुशी हो रही है सर कि उस कोरोना के सेंटर में हमने हर रोज एक म्यूजिकल इवेंट अरेंज करते थे क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा ग्राउंड था, तो पूरा डिस्टेंस रहता था। तो एक्चुअली ये है ना मगज की बीमारी थी, मुझे लगता है कि आइसोलेशन में आपको 15 दिन एक रूम में रख देते थे तो आप पागल भी, हाँ पागल हो जाएगा। तो हमने सोचा कि भाई क्यों ना हम ये पूरा ग्राउंड का यूज करें। हमने सर पूरे इंडिया में कहीं नवरात्रि नहीं हुई है, हमारे ग्राउंड में हमने विथ ऑर्केस्ट्रा नवरात्रि की है।
फैंटास्टिक। और वो सब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ, सब प्रिकॉशन लेने के बाद भी इवेंट हो,
सब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ।
फैंटास्टिक
जी सर, जी सर। तो मुझे और एक खुशी हुई सर कि 145 145 हाँ 145 जो लोग थे उनमें से एक को भी मैंने हॉस्पिटलाइज नहीं किया है और एक भी डेथ नहीं हुई है सर।
फैंटास्टिक, ये सबसे बढ़िया है सर। जाते जाते एनी लास्ट मिनट एडवाइस फॉर ऑल आवर एमएफटीज ओवर हियर। आप अपने न्यूज चैनल चलाते हो, आप एमएफटी भी है, आप ये सब सोशल कॉज भी करते हो, आप टाइम किधर निकालते हो, और लास्ट मिनट कुछ एडवाइस है आप सब के लिए?
सर भगवान ने हमको इतना अच्छा बिजनेस दिया है कि जहाँ पे हम लोग को अगर लॉकडाउन में सबका बिजनेस बंद था, सबकी इनकम बंद थी, एक म्यूचुअल फंड का एडवाइजर था, उनको ट्रेल कमीशन पूरा मिल रहा था, एक भी रुपए कट हुए बिना। तो ये भगवान की कृपा है कि हमको ऐसा बिजनेस मिला है। तो ये कृपा सबके ऊपर है, तो सबको सोचना चाहिए कि भाई समाज ने हमको जो दिया है वो समाज को हमको रिटर्न करना चाहिए। और ये बहुत ही बड़ा एक, मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी था। अभी ये अपॉर्चुनिटी नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगा कि नहीं आएगा मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी था मुझे लग रहा है सर। तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है तो सबको लेना चाहिए, बस समय मिल जाएगा।
करेक्ट, इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग सर। अमित जी आप अपना बढ़िया काम करते रहिए, गॉड ब्लेस यू, एंड हम लोग आपके साथ है। I'd like to now hand it over to Dhruv, who will take over the next set of awards. Hi Dhruv, welcome.
Hi Raghav, thank you very much.
Yes, I think the next set of awards goes to you. I think you did all the hard work in selecting these people.
I would, in the beginning, I would like to thank Prem, Anita, Nishan, the whole Cafe Mutual team. Actually, I would like to thank them on behalf of the whole distribution community for having this sort of a felicitation of the mutual fund distributors. And as you pointed out in the beginning, we have a lot of awards for the achievements that we do in terms of business. I think first time we are recognizing the efforts that our members, or I would say the mutual fund distributors, are doing in their own way to help the community. And what you mentioned, unprecedented pandemic, I think the biggest lesson for me in this pandemic is that how crisis brings people together, and how people, when they come together, you know, can overcome any obstacle, any hardship, any situation. And that's the biggest learning from me. And therefore, I would once again like to thank Prem and the whole Cafe Mutual for having this sort of an award or a felicitation, recognizing people who have gone out of their way to help others who are in difficulty. And therefore, I would like to introduce the next winner, Mr. Chandan Ghosh from Siliguri. Chandan Ghosh distributed warm clothes and blankets to the homeless people during the pandemic. Every year, in fact, his company gives clothes to orphanage of the Maria Cecilia Hostel during Christmas. He's also associated with Sparsh, which collects used clothes from people and distributes among the needy. Chandan has been funding education of an orphan girl child since 2016. So with these words, I would like to ask the AV to be played of Chandan. So welcome Chandan and congratulations on behalf of the whole MFD community. I would like to congratulate you on your contribution.
Thank you, Dhruv sir. Thank you, Cafe Mutual. Thank you, Raghav sir.
Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
I'm feeling very privileged to have the occasion to have some interaction with you. And पहले तो बताइए कि सिलीगुड़ी में कैसा रहा? How was the lockdown in Siliguri?
Sir, effect तो अभी भी है. Means Siliguri actually it's mainly a tourist kind of place. It's a transit point for tourists. So it's connected with Darjeeling and Sikkim. So tourists are not there. Only the local people are going for a vacation and all. So बाहर से कोई आने तो effect तो अभी भी है. But business जो trading activity है that is going on. So effect अभी भी चल रहा है. It will take hopefully next year or 2 years it will take sir to revive sir.
So tourists अभी भी आ नहीं रहे सिलीगुड़ी में.
नहीं sir, अभी आ नहीं रहे. Mainly locals है sir.
हाँ, so I think अभी थोड़ा I'm hopeful that in the next 3 to 6 months I think.
Yes. Yes,
और मैं I don't know मैं देख रहा हूँ कि इंडिया में at least tourism in India is gaining ground, you know, rather than going abroad. People
Yes.
traveling to India, so hopefully it should start back.
Hopefully, sir, next year it should start. The next season should start, sir.
So Chandan, can you share, you know, you seem to be involved in a lot of charitable activities and therefore maybe in the pandemic was maybe much more, you were able to get into the helpful activities. So first is I just wanted to know what sort of these activities you're involved in. Can you just share with us some of the things that you're involved with?
Sir, first of all, means I'm not connected with only one activity. Anybody who requires help means our company is there. And my motive behind coming means I was earlier with AMC, but my motive behind coming to and forming this company was means part of my this income should go to the society for its improvement. So mainly our areas, it's a lot of tea estates are there, so a lot of tea workers are there. So they're really underprivileged. So we try to help every year with some kind of activity. Every year we do some kind of activity. So this year we could not do much because of the pandemic and all. So next year we are planning for old books to be distributed. Then we are planning something big with our MFD community in Siliguri itself. So if we can do that, means that we are trying to make a old age home kind of thing with our other MFDs also. So hopefully if we can do this, it will be a lot of help for our old age people also in our area.
Okay, very good. So you have other mutual fund distributors also in Siliguri involved in this?
Not yet, but I'm trying to connect them together, sir. Because an old age home, building an old age home requires a lot of infrastructure also, and it's a recurring cost also it's required. So it requires more MFD to come forward, sir.
Wonderful. So please do get in touch with us. I mean, in FIFA, we would, try and spread the word to other distributors, and, they can help you in this cause.
Right, sir.
Okay, thank you, Chandan.
Thank you very much, sir. And it was really privileged to receive award from Dhruv sir and Raghav sir and Cafe Mutual also. Thank you for organizing such a beautiful event, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Chandan.
you.
We must thank you. Thank you.
I would like now to announce the next winner, Basavraju Angadi. He's a MFD from Bangalore. He has distributed 500 meal packets and 100 ration packets amongst the underprivileged during the lockdown. In addition, he has distributed masks, sanitizers, hand gloves to COVID soldiers. Angadi has been associated with many associations to support numerous social and environmental causes. Can I please have his AV now? So, congratulations, Basavraju, and excellent work that you have done. And it is my privilege to that we are having an interaction. Look forward to meeting all of you in person. So, Basavraju, can you tell me कि आपने काफी काम किया, आपने meal packets, ration packets, masks, sanitizers. So what motivated you? Can you share what drove you to take this effort or help people? What was the driving force?
No, generally, sir, thank you for this particular event. And second thought is about one is on the social responsibility. It is our social responsibility. As we are all into mutual fund distribution itself, it's a social service kind of a job. Okay, that is the thing. And the second part is, so generally on a regular basis, we meet various people, understand their needs and all. So today the problem is how to identify underprivileged people. That is the biggest task which one can look at. So generally we are on the when we are going on street and we are identifying some huts and all those things who are poor people, and we try to identify them and try to give the appropriate what is their needy and necessary related things. So these things motivated us to make the give some important meal kits or ration kits or groceries or sanitizers and masks. So we have done in front of our office, we have done one event felicitating Paura Karmisas, like who clean the roads and all that. We have felicitated them with the mask, sanitizers, and with small ration and all. So likewise, we try to understand the problem of them. So what they are facing problem, and we try to give the solution for them. So in this way, these are the activities which we have started from the lockdown time. Over a period of time, we try to understand that why can't you make a foundation kind of a concept. So with that, a lot of contribution or groceries kit which we had given, with that thought process, about 2-3 months back, we have also registered. There is a foundation called Vishwaguru Foundation to help the needy people and to do various activities. So along with our investment process, and every month or every once in a 2 months, we try to do some activities. For example, last month we have done health camp where you can diabetes, BP, ECG, heart related, all those things. There are about 200 people have been benefited from this. This is number one. Number two is before that we have done importance of eye donation. So in that importance of eye donation, we have done one program with the local leaders and all. Out of that, we have given around 74 people have donated their eyes to the Narayana Netralaya, which is in Bangalore. Likewise, these are the things, generally we mingle people and help them, and we have made a small team, so which will work together and go out and make the people need and requirement of this. Basically, one more thing is giving back to the society. All these days, we work for the earning money and all those things, and we try to give something to society. So it is not that everything we will not be able to make it. At the end of the day, we try to give something to the society. So that will make us or motivated us, to do all these things.
Wonderful. So, we just spoke to the person in Siliguri, and tourism has sort of come to a standstill. In Bangalore, what are you seeing? How is the effects of pandemic sort of going away? Is life coming back to normal? Are people moving? What is the feeling in Bangalore?
Sir, Bangalore looks like normal. I think we are not seeing any major things are happening. So today also I came from some of the mutual fund company. I went in the morning. I just came to office about half an hour back. So road vehicles are going, or we are also seeing most of the time now it is traffic also, and the local city buses also more people are coming and enjoying the days. Matlab, that fear is coming out, and people are enjoying the days, or they're doing their routine work. Maybe that is going away from the system now.
Okay, Basudut, thank you very much for all the work that you have done, and thank you for being a part of this program. And over to you, Raghav.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Basubhat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, friends. It's been one of the most emotional awards that I have given away. I think this listening to, especially in the last yesterday and today, listening to all these 8 people was a source of inspiration for me, and I'm sure for everybody listening to this right now. This is a unique format. What we are seeing today, it's a unique time, and at least I, for one, am quite inspired to do more for society. I think the whole circle of righteousness comes. You do more for the society. Society will in turn give you back more. So again, thank you, Cafe Mutual. Thank you, Dhruv, very much. Thank you, Prem, on behalf of Axel Mutual Fund. Really, really, really proud to be associated with this. Before I finally sign off, we have a small AB with our roll of honor. As I said, we received a lot of entries. We were able to felicitate 8 of them. There are another 18 people who have also done fantastic job, and I like an AB to be played to sort of recognize their efforts.